Look who we got pulling up. Woo! Look at that thing right there. Look at that thing right there.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's so serious? Look who we got pulling up. Woo! Look at that thing right there. Look at that thing right there. Come on back. Yeah. Ooh, that thing's nasty. Ooh. All right. Ooh. Oh, then he got the fresh cut.
I had to get the fresh cut.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Serious Mindset, back with another video. What's so serious? Alright, so look, so in this video, it's like a video in between a video. So remember I told you guys we came back from the beach, me and the family came back from the beach, and we have issues with the light. So of course, this bad boy, oh man, hold on, man, hold on. I'm gonna get copyrighted, hold on. Oh,
Uh-oh.
Little baby gonna give me copyrighted. Hold on, little baby. Hold on, little baby. Hold on, baby. So I had the guy himself, Ant, come down. He made a house install appearance because, as you know, guys, I'm sitting on blocks. As you see, I'm sitting on freaking stands right now.
Yeah, you are.
So he said, "Yeah, you are." So let's go ahead and get this thing popped up. So Ant is gonna pretty much explain pretty much what probably ended up happening with the module or whatnot. And hold on, focus. So as you see, I don't have my engine covers on because it's going to be another mod going on between another mod. So what do you think happened to it, bro?
So sometimes what happens is sometimes you just so everything's manufactured, and then sometimes not everything is not always 100%. You know, it's hard to really explain, but sometimes you just get a bad batch.
Right.
And so that's something that could happen with what is called the regulator. It regulates all the lights and everything. So sometimes, you know, it could just be when you start your car or something, it sends a surge, basically. It's like a power surge.
Right.
So that could potentially, if it sends like too much of a strong voltage, it could, you know, make the regulator go out.
Okay.
So what we're gonna try and do now is I'm gonna test it first. See, go through some proper steps and everything. Hopefully I don't have to switch it out and it just comes on.
Right.
But if not, I have another regulator and we'll just get that switched out.
Okay. How many times like have you seen issues like this? So specifically speaking, is it the Lightning Trendz brand or is it another brand outside that kind of has like the issues or whatnot with this module?
It just comes down to, it happens with every brand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not specific to one particular brand.
Right.
Every company, every brand has gone through the same issues, same troubles and stuff like that. So,
right.
That's why our warranty is immaculate. Like,
right.
we give the best warranty. So
explain to them your warranty if they're interested in like getting an install from you.
Yeah. So basically, like right now, right? Let's say like this regulator is bad, it has gone out, right?
Right.
What we would do is you would just let us know, whether you're here in Washington or if you're nationwide or wherever you ordered your products, you just let me know, let the company know, and then we would basically just, depending on what the issue is, if it's within the warranty, if you had it installed by an authorized dealer of LED Customs or the brand that, you know, like Lighting Trendz or anything like that,
right?
We would give you have a lifetime warranty, so the product will always be free for you.
A lifetime warranty, guys. You cannot beat that. So if you are looking to actually hold on to your car, or so does it matter if they like take this off of a car and put it on another car? Does the warranty still goes with them with the lights, or is that like different?
It's different. So it only goes with the vehicle that it's on.
Okay, just to clarify, because you know you're gonna have people trying to muscle the system. So guys, you can't muscle everything. So make sure, if anything, it matches the actual vehicle per install. So yeah, so got to get the thumbnail right. But anyway, yeah, bro. So this is it. So riding in the rain, and come to find out, I woke up, tried to put the lights on because everybody was fascinated with it. Then no Joe.
Yeah.
So one of the troubleshooting things that Anthony had told me about was taking out the fuse, putting it back in, and seeing if it have a spark, which it didn't have a spark at the time or whatnot. So, because best believe I need my lights. I like my lights. It's like a trademark thing. You seen some of the IG photos I've been putting on there?
Yeah, man.
Hey, man, I'm waiting for yours to drop.
I just dropped one.
Oh, you just did? You literally just did one?
Probably 2 hours ago.
Oh, okay. So you see,
dropped all of them.
so you see what I'm doing, guys. Like I said, I work on my own brand, so I'm literally working right now. So not on a specific car, but I'm working on something else. So I'm always working and working and working and working. So that's what it's all about: growth, and evolving, and building your own. Because at the end of the day, can't nobody take this from me as far as saying, hey, I did this for you. So especially when you talk about quality. But anyway, that's another discussion here nor there. Man, but look at this thing. Look. Oh, look. So you see what I got going on, man? This thing, I'm not gonna even show them, but you see what I got going on? Look at this thing. So you guys haven't seen it, like you guys seen it in the dark. For that other video, I'm gonna put that other video somewhere up here. You guys seen the video in the dark, but if you haven't seen Anthony's 392 in person, he likes green. For whatever reason, he just likes the green. So look at this. Check this out. So we got Mopar. This is Mopar. This is actually a photo. So I need to go ahead and get this photo because this is a bad photo. So Mopar no car right here. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, guys. So I'm about to go ahead and see what I can do as far as a helping hand with Ant on this. But make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Serious_Lane. So stay tuned. All right, guys, you can see we are back. We are back. He has done it again. He came by the house and did the install. Mr. Ant LED. I don't even know if you want to be called Ant LED. I don't know.
Anthony LED. Call it Ant.
That's the original.
Original. Why not?
So, guys, we are back in the motion and I feel good. So, nevertheless, we are back. Plan on doing some big things. Me and Anthony was talking about doing some big things, so just stay tuned to that. But nevertheless, it was one of the modules, right? One of the modules was out. So one of the modules, quick fix. He just swapped out the modules, did a quick test, popped the fuse back in, and then whoop-de-wop, we back in business. So nevertheless, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the drop. You see I got the hat on, the limited edition drop, working on that, working on some quality products. So nevertheless, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also follow LED Customs _ link will be in the description. Make sure you follow Innocent392 as well. His Anthony's Instagram will be in the description as well. But at the end of the day, make sure you drop a fire emoji right after What's So Serious. You already know how we do it.
Hey, y'all heard him right. He said fire emoji. Fire.
Ooh, What's So Serious. Right after What's So Serious, you heard it with the you hear all that sound effects. But nevertheless, stay serious. Make sure you subscribe. What's So Serious.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's So Serious.